Most entry-level pick-and-play machines have a hidden flaw: their operating system. Cheap embedded boards lock, freeze, and lock you into closed software. That's why we built the AFARCO V3.2 differently. By running OpenPnP on a fully optimized standalone Ubuntu Linux environment, we eliminate background interruption. 100% computing power goes to high-speed vision processing and precision motion control. No black boxes. Full access to vision pipeline. Absolute stability for hours of continuous placement. Stop fighting proprietary software. Take control of your assembly line with AFARCO. Visit afarco.com today.